Today's Axie Expert is sponsored by Pineview Medical Clinic. It's a clinic that is open here in our greater St. Louis area and treats ED with one of the most effective treatments in the country. Joining me now is Andrew Reinhart from the Pineview Medical Clinic. Andrew, thanks so much for being here with us today.
Hello, thanks for having me. Good to see you.
You too, Andrew. And today we are diving into ED, and this really is the latest breakthrough for men who struggle with it. Tell us a little bit about it.
Well, yeah, that's right. I'll tell you, a man with erectile dysfunction, from what we can tell, does not want to take that pill anymore, does not want to deal with the side effects. This has been described as a major medical breakthrough. If you or your man are frustrated in the bedroom, experiencing erectile dysfunction, Pineview Medical Clinic uses the most advanced form of something called wave therapy. This is a technology that delivers very gentle pressure waves through the skin into the blood vessels. There you can see what it does. It causes those blood vessels clinically to open up and expand. That is a great thing for life in the bedroom. We've helped so many couples get rid of the erectile dysfunction. We do it with no pills, no injections, and my favorite part, no side effects.
And Andrew, you mentioned that this is a pretty advanced form of wave therapy, which means it's backed by a lot of different studies and publications. What are some of those?
Yes, it really is. This technology is heavily vetted. If you go to pineviewmedicalclinic.com, we have 60 studies. Think about that. 60 outfits from 5 different countries have vetted this. Even Cambridge University. Some of the biggest hospitals, universities, and colleges have looked at this and tested it and showed it to be safe and effective. It was called the new standard of care for erectile dysfunction, and that it leads to a, quote, clinical increase in blood flow.
And Andrew, ED is actually a pretty serious medical condition. Tell us about the difference between what you guys are doing at Pineview Medical Clinic versus other methods that are available in the marketplace.
Well, in the early 90s, that's when the pill was released. So we're all pretty familiar with pills, injections, maybe surgery. None of these are great options. They all cause significant side effects. It's also important to note that the pill doesn't fix anything. It's a Band-Aid, best case scenario. So the man becomes a prisoner to that. This technology at Pineview Medical Clinic goes to the root cause problem of erectile dysfunction. It repairs the blood vessels. And I'll tell you this, you will be amazed what can happen in the bedroom when we get your blood flowing properly.
Well, Andrew, it's amazing to see how far technology has come, especially with this advanced wave therapy. Like you said, there's no pills, there's no invasive injections, or that no surgery. That is pretty incredible. Give us a breakdown of how the technology actually works.
Well, think about what we do to a muscle in the gym. We agitate the muscle very slightly and regrow the muscle. Well, this technology does that to blood vessels. You won't feel it. It's very quick. It's pain-free. There's no soreness, but we're tricking the body into healing itself and using our own body to repair itself. So no medication, no chemicals. This is simply repairing blood vessels. And those blood vessels are very damaged, by the way. That is what is causing the erectile dysfunction.
Well, is there any recovery time from the fixing of these blood vessels, Andrew?
There is no recovery time. We call it the lunch break treatment. You'll walk out of the clinic feeling totally normal, no side effects, no pain. And men constantly tell us, I was a lot more comfortable than I had imagined.
Well, it's a reset button for anyone who's at home watching and maybe struggling with ED. Do you have any special offers for our viewers that are watching today, Andrew?
We certainly do. If you're struggling with erectile dysfunction, or maybe your man is struggling, we have significant value today. Grab your phone, call us before this segment ends. You'll qualify for the exam, the assessment, even the ultrasound, totally free, plus a gift that produces immediate results in the bedroom. You'll love that. 314-530-7777. All of that, hundreds of dollars in value, is totally free to callers right now.
Well, Andrew, thank you so much for sharing a little bit about what you do at Pineview Medical Clinic. If you're at home and you're watching and you want to jump in on this amazing deal, all you have to do is call the number right there on your screen. It's 314-530-7777, or you can head online to make your appointment today at pineviewmedicalclinic.com. And of course, we will post all of this information on our website at studiostl.tv.